Savastika, fellow food enthusiasts. Today, we are embarking on a culinary journey to Thailand with an authentic Thai glass noodle stir-fry. Brace yourselves for a burst of flavor that captures the essence of Thai street food. I'm your Quirky Quest, and I'm excited to guide you through this vibrant and delicious adventure. Before we dive into this Thai delight, let's gather our colorful ingredients. 0.55 pounds, 250 grams, dry glass noodles, aka mung bean vermicelli or bean thread noodles. 2 cups cabbage, green or purple, sliced. 3 cups bok choy or leafy greens. 1 teaspoon garlic minced. 1 shallot sliced. 5 eggs beaten. 2 tablespoon regular soy sauce. 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce. 2 tablespoon fish sauce. 1/8 teaspoon black pepper. 2 tablespoon vegetable oil or neutral oil. To make chili vinegar. 1 red chili sliced. 4 tablespoon white vinegar. Soak your clear glass noodles in hot tap water, around 65 degrees Celsius for at least 10 minutes until loose and softened. Strain immediately. In a small bowl, add sliced red chili along with vinegar and let this soak as you work on preparing the other ingredients. Heat 1 tablespoon vegetable oil in a wok or large skillet on medium-high heat. Pour in beaten eggs and scramble them until they take form but remain moist. Do not overcook them. Remove scrambled eggs from pan and set aside. Add the remaining oil, followed by shallots, cabbage, minced garlic and stir-fry for 1-2 minutes. Toss in the strained noodles. Quickly pour in your regular soy sauce, dark soy sauce, fish sauce and black pepper. Mix everything together until the noodles are coated in brown. Gently toss in the leafy greens and eggs with the noodles. Remove off the heat immediately. While the noodles are still in the wok or pan, mix in the chili vinegar. Serve hot and enjoy. And there you have it, authentic Thai glass noodle stir-fry, a burst of flavor ready to be served and enjoyed. If you're ready to bring the vibrant taste of Thailand to your kitchen, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more global recipes. Enjoy this burst of flavor, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!